two dogs were walking, one of them suddenly fell into a deep hole. The other dog panicked and immediately ran to find help. Just then, he saw a man passing by. The dog desperately tried to stop him, but the man kept walking. At that moment, the man heard loud barking. Realizing something was wrong, he quickly turned back and rushed toward the sound. And what happened next surprised everyone. But first, if you love dogs, then like and subscribe. The man saw that a dog fell inside. He fearlessly jumped into the hole and gently pulled the dog out of the hole. The two dogs finally reunited and thanked the man.